Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious Indian recipe that's called Matar Ki Kachori. And this Matar Ki Kachori, I'm going to serve it with a very delicious and a quick green chilies pickle. So let's get started. The ingredients to make the Matar Ki Kachori are 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt to taste. This is 1/4 cup of oil. And for the filling of this Matar Ki Kachori, we have peas or matar that's coarsely ground, some hing or asafoetida, a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, jeera or cumin seeds, some dhania powder or coriander powder that's about 1.5 teaspoons. I also have some whole coriander seeds and some fennel seeds over here that's soft, and some oil. The ingredients to make the green chili pickle are some mustard oil. This is some mustard seeds that are coarsely ground, some fennel seeds that I have crushed into some coarsely ground powder, salt to taste, hing or asafoetida, green chili slit, and some haldi or turmeric. Now the first thing I'm going to make is the green chilies pickle, and for that I've heated this pan and I'm adding the oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the green chilies and just saute it for a few seconds. Now after adding the green chilies, I'm going to add the remaining ingredients like mustard, saunf or fennel seeds, salt to taste, haldi, and hing. Now I'm going to mix everything, and a delicious and super easy green chilies pickle is ready. You can see it's so easy to make this pickle anytime at home and enjoy it with anything. Now the next thing that I'm going to make is the filling for our kachoris, and for that I'm going to heat this pan and dry roast 3 things, that's saunf, whole coriander seeds, and jeera. So I'm going to dry roast all these 3 things, and this gives a very nice fragrance and flavor to our kachori. So just dry roast it for a couple of minutes. Now I'm getting a very nice fragrance of this whole masalas, and I've dry roasted it, and now I'm going to coarsely grind this for our filling. So I'm going to coarsely grind this now. So this is how it looks after grinding it coarsely. So now I'm going to make the filling for our kachori. First I'm going to add the oil. Next goes in the green peas. So I'm going to cook the green peas till all the moisture evaporates. And now to the green peas, I'm going to add this finely ground powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt, and hing. Hing is approximately 1 teaspoon. and I'm going to mix everything. I'm going to add some amchur powder also to give an additional flavor to our kachori mix. I did not mention amchur powder in the ingredients, but definitely this is going to add to the flavor. So now our green peas mixture for our kachori is now ready, and we're going to make the dough for our kachori. Now this is our all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add some salt. We're going to make the dough for our kachori, and now I'm going to add the oil as well. Now after adding the oil and the salt, I'm going to mix the maida or all-purpose flour and the oil really well. Now after mixing the oil and the maida really well, I'm going to add a little water at a time to make a hard dough. And our dough is now ready. And now I'm going to take a small piece and I'm going to make small balls like this from this dough. And I'm going to make a few more. Now here's our first ball, and I'm going to make a kachori out of this, and I'm just going to flatten it a little like this. And add a little filling into this. And just close it. And then I have my greased chakla and belan. Okay, and I'm going to press it slightly. So now I'm just going to make it a little flat with this rolling pin. And our first kachori is ready, and we're going to fry it after we make the rest. So here are the kachoris that we made, and the filling is inside this dough, and now I'm going to fry these. So now we're going to fry these under medium to low flame, and make sure the oil is not too hot. Just keep the flame on medium to low, and let's fry these. Let's fry till they are slightly golden brown. Okay, so I'm going to take out these kachoris that are ready. And I'm going to put and our kachoris are now ready, and I'm going to take these out. So this is a khasta kachori, and you can see it's so crisp. You can hear the sound. It's really crisp. It's not soggy, and it's served with a delicious and quick and easy green chilies pickle. I hope you enjoyed this matar ki kachori ki recipe and the green chili pickle. That was an instant pickle. And do try this at home because it's really delicious and easy. It's not very difficult to make. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.